Show everybody the receipt. 37.5 inches. For days.
Boxes and boxes and boxes. And more boxes. And more boxes.
Cool. What up? Say hi.
Oh, hey people.
Back with another video. We are doing just some maintenance here on our 98 Dodge Ram with a 12 valve and 5-speed. Just doing some basic upkeep. Radiator, belt tensioner, water pump, new belt. What else we got? What else I forget? Timing cover gasket.
Timing cover gasket. Differential covers.
Yeah, we'll be doing that. May not get to that right away, but we're dealing with a lot of this stuff up here in the front. So I'll be trying to put up this video along with the walk around video, the first one. Hope I can get those up tonight. We'll see if I can get out of here. Plus we'll see, because we're finally getting to work on this thing. It's been like a month we've had it. So we got some stuff to do to Josh's truck. Stuff to do to the crew. Lots of work. Lots of work. So we're just gonna quit talking and get right to it. Okay, don't swear.
No swearing.
Okay. Making some headway. Dude, we only crank on this thing for like half an hour.
Oh yeah.
Radiator out. What else? What else? What else? About it.
That's about it.
That's about it. And for, I think the mileage on this is 306.
Something like that.
Something like that. She ain't too shabby. A little grease and oil in here. That's why we're obviously doing what we're doing, but oh, you're good. But and that we're pretty happy with it. You know, I'm not gonna do. Should I do it? Might have to go see our friends down at Redhead.
And just for you can never tell because it's so covered in freaking grease.
Yeah, everything is coated in here.
It all looks brand new because the grease kept it pretty good.
Right. Yeah, I mean you guys can see in here pretty good. And when Josh took a look at this right after I got it and said he's pretty sure that the timing cover here is the one and only culprit.
Yeah, leaker.
But, yeah, leaker. Making some more headway. Water pump off. Fan clutch is off. Shroud is out. I'm not sure if the shroud was out in the last one. Now we're just trying to make do with the tools that we have versus the tools that we need.
Sometimes it just wiggles off. I guess.
It is helpful when you have most of the tools you need.
Well,
I got that on video. Good thing it didn't land in the bucket of coolant.
yeah, recalibrate. That'll be alright. Ruh-roh, Raggy.
What's up?
And the rubber, this is how it dampens the vibration.
Right?
And if the rubber starts to deteriorate,
Like it is?
like it is, well, covered in grease.
Right, yeah, everything is. Anyway, we're gonna get back to you guys on that one.
Yep.
So cover's off. Got our fan clutch out, tensioner's out, our water pump is out. And we got all new stuff right here. Our new timing cover gasket is in there as well, all with our killer dowel pin kit as well. And then I think after that, it's just assembly, right?
And arts and crafts.
Arts and crafts. That's right, arts and crafts.
Don't forget the arts and crafts.
Tip, why are we doing that?
So I don't want to drop any of the bolts into the coolant bucket. I could just move it, but also all of these bolts are different sizes, so I don't want to fucking put one wrong bolt in the wrong spot. So I'm gonna take all these, and every bolt is gonna get poked through the cardboard in the exact same order they came out of the timing cover, so they go back into the timing cover the exact same way.
Got it.
This is like the second time I've done it, so I don't necessarily have it all memorized yet.
Gotcha. Well, it's the first time I've done it, so learning new stuff. So we're getting back at it. Reassembly too. We're about an hour and a half into this, maybe a little bit more.
Yeah.
Give or take some.
Movie magic.
There you go. All right, we are tapping into our cover right now. Killer Dowel pin.
It's in there, but
She's still in there.
ain't nothing been done to it.
Cool.
No, just screw
Oh,
it off.
look at this. Well, I'm trying to figure out why it was. Is there a? Cause this
It was
gasket.
mostly the bottom that was leaking.
Yeah, right. Which is,
Right there.
yeah.
Probably just the way they pinched it,
Yeah, maybe.
or didn't clean the gasket material off of there.
Well, like you said, Josh noticed that just about almost all of the timing cover bolts on the driver's side of the engine. I mean, we were taking those off by hand.
Finger tight.
Yeah, finger tight. So these probably was obviously touched before, but all right. So showed you guys before, our dowel is still in there. So we got our Killer Dowel pin kit. So pretty much we just really only just got that tab, and obviously it came with the dowel just in case. We weren't sure whether or not that we had the thing in there. So Josh is just gonna give her a few taps, make sure she's good. You want to tell everyone the bad news?
Wah wah, somebody freaking half-assed, sorry, half-butt janky welded timing cover. Wah wah.
Yeah, so that's kind of where we think maybe it might be leaking a little bit. Found a couple pinholes in that, but I mean, I must say that welding job, wow.
Magic.
Yep. So we were actually gonna call it a night. I'm gonna see what I can do about getting some of those in. Also the vacuum seals.
Yep, vacuum pump seals.
Vacuum
that
pump
always
seals.
leak.
Yeah, those
We all know
leak.
this.
Josh was telling me about that, so I'm gonna look at that as well. Because while we're in here, why not just see what we can do while we're here. So Josh has everything in here cleaned up really good. Just put our water pump in. Once you're here, it's only 2 bolts. It's not that bad. I think that's it. We're gonna call it a night. I'm gonna get this video up quick. I mean, gonna be kind of easy now that we're not putting all this together, but
Yeah.
right?
Love you.
So here we go. More doing tomorrow.
Yep.
Yeah. While we're waiting on what we're gonna do with this, we're gonna get the dually bed and probably the dually axle on.
Yeah,
That's a
cab,
goal. So we'll see. Fingers crossed.
Maybe some exhaust.
Maybe some exhaust. Maybe some intake action. Maybe get rid of that. Delete that silencing ring. We got a bunch of stuff. That's it. Later, yo.
Whoa, whoa.
Deuces.
Later.